World Pharma Today interviewed Stacey Williams, Vice President of Marketing for Alchemy Corporation. Stacey discussed topics such as their fill-finish capacity, trends in the CDMO market, and the industry's need for integrated services. Watch this interview for exclusive insights.
Hi, this is Sushant Gupta here from World Pharma Today, and with me I have Stacey Williams, the VP Marketing for Alchemilaboratories. Stacey, hi. How are you?
Hey, it's very nice to see you.
Likewise, Stacey.
Yeah.
So first things first, just wanted to know, how does Alchemys plan to increase its clean fill finish capacity fit in with current market trends, especially in the rise in the wake of GLP-1 drugs?
Yeah, that's a great question. It's such a hot topic here at CPHI, especially with what happened with Catalent and Novo. Sterile fill finish capacity is where everyone wants to know what's available. And we have 4 sterile fill finish lines available in the US with a little bit of capacity left going into 2025. A lot of companies that worked with Catalent are looking for options for their projects that aren't the big GLP-1s. And we're one of those options. So we prepared those lines to be ready to meet capacity.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So how does Alchemy use its 3 main business areas, making drug products, offering lab services, and storing pharmaceuticals to offer complete solutions, all-round solutions?
Yeah, I think that the CDMOs of today have to have integrated end-to-end. We don't just manufacture drugs. We manufacture, then we do all the tests on them, then we can store them, and then we can even do services like metrology, calibration, validation. If someone comes to you and they want to work with a CDMO, they don't expect to just work with one here, one there, one there. They want to work with you across the entire life cycle of their drug. And so everything mixes together. Yeah.
Great. So could you explain more about how Alchemy's 6 campuses in the US work together,
Yes.
and how being close to biotech and pharma hubs helps your clients?
So even though we're a global market and we feel so connected,
Yes.
a lot of pharma companies still like to be close by their products. So we have campus in Raleigh Triangle Park. So you hear RTP.
Okay.
It is a hub for biotech and pharma.
Alright.
It's where we have our manufacturing, our lab, and our storage. And now we're moving out west, where a lot of pharma companies are out west, and we're building storage there. And we have some place in Boston, in the New England area. So in the US, that's where a lot of innovation in pharma happens, and that's where we've built all of our campuses.
And how about other regions apart from the US? Are you bent on those regions as well?
Absolutely. A lot of our clients, especially big pharma, they're global,
Yes.
right? They're not just US. They want to work across the world. And so we have to meet our customers where they are, which
Yes.
means understanding where they are in the world and looking at opportunities there.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what are the most important trends in the pharmaceutical production business that Alchemy is absolutely focused on?
So I would say for sterile fill finish,
Yep.
it's making sure you have the latest equipment, taking out any opportunity for any contamination. So you want to remove that human error, that error of something in there. You want to make sure the equipment that you have is aseptic. And I think Alchemy does a really nice job of making sure we have the latest and greatest and have upgraded all of our equipment.
How about the regulations? They obviously differ from region to region. What are your thoughts on it? And is it a challenge that you're looking at, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Even though you maybe are working on one drug in the US, working on that drug in India, or working on that drug in the EU, or working on that drug, it's all different in terms of compliance, regulatory, quality needs. And so we have to have experts on staff,
Right.
across the staff, that understand that and can answer our clients' needs. Just because you know something in the US doesn't really matter when you
Yes.
get to other countries. And we need to be staffed with the experts that can do that. Yeah.
And finally, Stacey, CPHI Milan, it's a big opportunity, big
Yes.
platform. How do you think is this going to help in your future endeavors?
So CPHI this is my first show. And I've been told it is like an amazing show. Just looking around, it's chaotic, but it's amazing to see how many people are doing groundbreaking work in cell and gene therapy, biopharma, personalized medicine. And so for us, for Alchemy, we need to make sure that our expertise and our manufacturing capacity matches that need. We set up meetings. We probably have 70 meetings here for people looking for solutions, especially for sterile fill finish. So we're super excited to be here.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Stacey. My wishes are with you. World Pharma Up Today's wishes are with you.
Thank you
so much
so
for your
much.
time.
Thank
Thanks a lot.
you.